Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new around here, my name is Alisha, and the first thing I want to say is I'm sorry I look so rough. Hay fever has got the better of me today, but we're going to get through this video. I've just got really itchy eyes, but I'm trying my best not to itch them. Today's video is slightly different. I'm actually going to be following a bake along live on Instagram by the Baking Explorer. If you don't follow the Baking Explorer, then you definitely should, because her bakes are amazing. She's on Instagram and she's got a website full of her recipes. I'm going to link this recipe in the description anyway. And today we are making scones, or scones, depending on how you say it, but I say scones. And I am rubbish at scones. The last time I made scones was probably 4 years ago, and I just gave up because I've tried them so many times and every single time they came out like rock cakes, not scones. So that's why I've decided to follow Kat's recipe. So yeah, I'm a little bit behind, so I'm going to just catch up a little bit. So I've got the flour, the baking powder and some salt in here, and I'm just going to mix it all together. And then I have got some cold butter, which are in cubes. Oh, my butter's trapped in my whisk. Good start. And then I'm going to rub this together with my fingertips, trying not to overwork it. Now, Kat shared a load of tips and tricks already, but obviously I won't give them away. So if you want to follow this, then obviously you can't follow it live. But you can go on her channel, and it should be linked as an IGTV, I think. I'm still pretty new to Instagram, so I'm not 100% sure how it all works. I'm sure you'll be able to watch it at a later date. I'm trying to watch it on my phone so I can keep up with where she is. Because I'm late to everything. I don't think I'm too far behind. I think I'm like a step behind, but this bit takes quite a while rubbing it in. They're just having a conversation at the minute about what to put in these scones, because these are plain scones. But I'm sticking with plain because, I mean, I've never been able to master just plain, so I'm not going any further than that. I'm not feeling adventurous today. I'm now 2 steps behind. I think we're just about there. The key is to not overwork scones, I know that much. I think I'm going to leave it like that and wash my hands. Okay, next is the milk. Need a knife. So you're meant to use whole milk, but she says that you can use non-dairy milk as well, because we don't drink whole milk, we drink almond milk. And then you put some lemon juice in the milk. Just give my hands a little wash, and then you give it a mix together until the milk's meant to go lumpy, but I don't know if it will because it's almond milk. So then you add some vanilla in. You don't have to add vanilla in. And then you add in an egg. Again. Wash my hands. I think I've made a boo-boo already. I forgot the sugar. Oh well, let me mix this up. Go back to this. Add the sugar in. This is why do not follow me. Follow the proper recipe. Because I do not know what I'm doing when it comes to scones. Right, that'll do. Wash my hands again. Then you pour the wet into the dry. Gently bring it all together until it forms a dough. Again, not overworking it. Some flour down. I'm going to get it all out of the bowl. it together. Try not to overwork it. And then you flatten it down to about an inch, I think. Is that about an inch? I reckon so. And you grab your cutter and start and then, oh, I should have done this before, but I need to line my baking tray. Oh no, hang on a sec. I've run out of room again. Grab these scones, put them on the tray. Oh, very delicate. And then you just repeat the process until you've used all of your dough, but try and not to overwork it. An inch. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. I'm not sure we'll get a 10th. Look at that, I'm not going to get a 10th out of that, am I? You know what though, dough is really nice to play with. It's like a fidget spinner, but better. I am back on track. Yes! Let's turn the volume up so I can actually listen now. Now, I just need to crack an egg. Whisk it up. And then brush them. And this just gives them a nice golden crispy top. So now we can pop them in the oven. And then we just wait. They've been in for the minimum amount of time, so I'm going to see what they look like. They've risen! Right, she says test them by seeing if they're hollow. Some pretty hollow to me. Open off and get these out. Oh, I'm so pleased I finally made scones. Are they perfect? No. Are they lopsided? Yes, because I twisted some of them when I shouldn't have, but I was rushing. Are they all the same? No, but I've made scones that have risen, and I'm so pleased with that. It's the little things in life, right? So I'm gonna let these cool, and then we can crack on with the big debate, which is jam first or cream first? I think it's jam first for me, or is it cream first? You see, if I was stacking a cake, I'd put buttercream down and then jam. So is it, it might be cream first for me, you know? Don't know, we'll get to that point in a bit once they've cooled down. The scones have cooled down now, pretty much anyway. So I can start putting some jam and cream in them. Which one should I do? I'm meant to be able to rip them in the middle, but some of them haven't risen that well, so I'm going to get a knife. I want the shit ones to have jam and cream on so they look good in the pictures. Ooh. Oh, this smells so good. Okay, here we go. Clotted cream. Open it, that is. There we go. I'm going to take the skin off, which I know is a bit controversial. But I don't like the skin. Okay, I'm going to put, I mean, I'm not a big fan of clotted cream, but kind of what you have to have on scones. Should have left it out in the fridge a bit. Oh my days, going everywhere. Definitely should have left it out in the fridge. Right, I'm just going to wash my hands. And some jam. And then we can taste test them. I've got jam everywhere. Try a bit of the scone by itself. Oh, finally! On those scones are actually edible. They taste really, really good. Yes! I really hope you've enjoyed this video. As I said before, I will link the Bacon Explorers recipe and Instagram and website all in the description so you can do this yourself. Finally, I've made some scones that I can actually eat, so I'm really, really pleased that I did this. If you like this video, please don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you next week for another video. Thanks for watching, bye!